We are weeks into a very dangerous and deadly surge of COVID-19, and now officials are getting even tougher about mask mandates.
There are new crackdowns here at LA City Hall and at the airports that have to deal with unruly passengers. CBS 2's Cara Finstrom is live at LAX with this new push to keep people safe. Cara?
Good morning. There's a couple things going on here at once. You've got worries about emerging more contagious variants of this virus that threaten to make a dire healthcare situation even worse. At the same time, there are escalating tensions over mask mandates. Cell phone videos of aggression on planes over mask mandates have gone viral for months. But the FAA is now reporting a disturbing uptick in such incidents. Agency leaders believe the new disruptions they're dealing with stem in part from the recent violence at the U.S. Capitol. So now FAA leaders say instead of giving warnings to unruly passengers, they'll take legal action. They say passengers who threaten or assault crew members cause dangerous disruptions and could face fines of up to $35,000 or prison time. At the same time, CBS News has learned individual airlines are reacting, that they've banned a total of more than 2,700 disruptive passengers from future flights, and security is ramping up. A government security source told CBS News air marshals have been added to flights into the capital region, and airports across the country are stepping up their police presence. Meanwhile, LA City Council members are also cracking down on people refusing to wear masks in public places. Last week, anti-mask groups stormed the Westfield Century City Mall, shouting at customers and scuffling with employees. So council members voted to create fines of hundreds of dollars for anyone who refuses to wear a face covering inside a business. They'll also be cracking down on people without masks who invade someone's personal space.
We want to be able to enforce against sort of an assault of spreading of COVID.
We reached out to LAX Airport Police to learn about their response to these tensions. They provided this statement: LAX is on continuous heightened alert when it comes to the safety and security of the airport. However, we will be enhancing our operational procedures for the upcoming 2021 U.S. presidential inauguration. We are prepared to respond to any event that might occur at LAX. Amy, Suzanne, LAX officials tell us that airlines directly handle anything that happens on their airplanes. However, they say LAX police do respond to help when those airplanes land.
Yes, everything we can do to keep people safe with these high numbers. Cara, thank you.